Given the growing outbreak in Leicester, we cannot recommend that the easing of the national lockdown set to take place on the 4th of July happens in Leicester. Having taken clinical advice on the actions necessary and discussed them with the local team in Leicester and Leicestershire, we've made some difficult but important decisions. We've decided that from tomorrow, non-essential retail will have to close. And as children have been particularly impacted by this outbreak, schools will also need to close from Thursday, staying open for vulnerable children and children of critical workers as they did throughout. Unfortunately, the clinical advice is that the relaxation of shielding measures due on the 6th of July cannot now take place in Leicester. We'll send further testing capability, including opening a walk-in centre. Anyone in Leicester with symptoms must come forward for a test. Second, we will give extra funding to Leicester and Leicestershire councils to support them to enhance their communications and ensure those communications are translated into all locally relevant languages. Third, through the councils, we'll ensure support is available for those who have to self-isolate. And fourth, we'll work with the workplaces that have seen clusters of cases to implement more stringently the COVID-secure guidelines.
The Prime Minister talks of his whack-a-mole strategy to suppress local outbreaks. We're alerted to the situation in Leicester 11 days ago, and now we have got from the Secretary of State tonight the whack-a-mole strategy. But does we agree that if we are as a nation to ease from lockdown smoothly, then those areas that do see flare-ups will need greater speed in the response, otherwise we risk no moles getting whacked? The World Health Organization tonight has warned that this virus is still spreading at speed and that those countries who have opened up are beginning to see a resurgence. The virus remains deadly, it causes significant long-term harm and still demands a resolute response. If that means restrictions have to remain in place, whether in Leicester or elsewhere, or restrictions have to be reimposed, whether in Leicester than elsewhere, then so be it.